Best Bikini Epilator. We review top 5 best bikini epilator. Braun Silk-Epil 55-280 Epilator. This is a top pick for Cimento, who says it's a great option for first-time users. It comes with a cooling glove that helps soothe the skin. And the included massage rollers make for a more comfortable experience. She says, adding that it can also be used wet or dry. To that point, the whole device is completely waterproof. And the ergonomic angle of the device makes it easy to target pretty much any area on your entire body. Braun Silk-Epil 33-270 Epilator. If you're curious about epilating but not quite sure you're ready to commit to a super pricey device, this is a good place to start. It can be used all over the body and has the added benefit of coming with extra heads, a trimmer, razor, and like the aforementioned Braun product, a massaging rolling head to make the experience less painful. Just FYI, it can only be used dry. A full week later, the areas of my leg that I epilated were still pretty smooth. The few hairs that seemed to have broken at the surface grew back as if I had shaved. But for the most part, my legs were still silky and soft. Overall, the results lasted much longer than if I had shaved. Jenna Agniri, product tester. Emjoi Emagine Epilator. This tool is not messing around. It touts a whopping 72 tweezers, the most of any on this list, so just an FYI, it's not for the faint of heart. We think it's best reserved for experienced epilators and or those who want to get the job done fast and don't mind a little discomfort in the process. Along with all those tweezers, it also has a tiny tip on the head to lift hairs before they get tweezed, helping to try to reduce the likelihood of ingrowns and make sure the device nabs every last strand. Panasonic Cordless Versatile Wet/Dry Shaver and Epilator. This device is a must-have because it comes with different caps, including the sensitive skin epilator cap for targeting sensitive areas and a gentle epilator cap that makes for a more gentle experience for beginners, says Cimento of another one of her picks. She also lauds it as being a good option for both wet and dry epilation. And for the addition of an LED light that helps you get a good visual. Plus, because it touts 3 speed settings, more than the standard 2. You can easily tone down or crank up your speed as you become more of an epilating pro. Finishing touch flawless hair remover. Technically slightly different than an epilator, this product, yes, it's the one made famous by the TV infomercials, doesn't have any tweezers but rather a unique spinning head that smooths peach fuzz on your face down to the surface of your skin. Said head is made of 18-karat gold, making it ideal for the delicate skin around the upper lip, chin, and cheeks. It's lightweight and portable and also has a built-in LED light to help ensure you never miss any stray hair.